Hey, what up guys, Richard Messer here, aka Zola. I hope y'all watched last videos, the Buddy of the Sugar Plum Fairies, and Buddy just showing up, and right now Yebu is fighting with the hammock. Literally, he is fighting with the hammock. He's stabbing it with his one little horn. You getting that hammock, Bew Bew? Are you getting it, Bew Bew? Stab it with your head. Stab it. You getting that hammock? Are you winning? Giving up? You should come and see Grandma Cafe. She just came out here. It's okay, buddy. Why does Dad have to weed eat right now? Kitty cat! You sniffing your booty? Oh no, you're looking at something. What are you looking at, bud? Butter. Buddy and the kittens. It's fucking cold. What the hell is wrong with you, cat? No, don't scare Bew Bew. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I guess this is all the video. Well, Buddy was fighting with the hammock better, but I guess he doesn't want to anymore. So, peace. Bye, Bew Bew. Say bye, Smoke Smoke. Fine. Peace.